Hello again, we going to learn more in Photoshop lesson in this tutorial. We learn how mask is working. I will teach you in this lesson how to work path tool. As is told you beginning, we will slowly learn toolbox also one by one. Select pen tool in toolbox. And we'll start to created path. You can see when I created path, I turn the shape according to image. More practice will make you perfect. After finish created you path, then go to Windows menu bar and click Paths panel. Now you going to learn one newer thing. Don't worry, this thing you will keep remind in future. Now we going to select the path like we did previous lesson in red box in layer panel. Hold you Control Command in your keyboard and click path panel. Same like before, there is dot line is appearing now. You can customize your path panel too. Now I will teach you one new thing to you. Go to menu panel and go to select menu and go to inverse and click to it. All around you will see dot lines and press delete the button in your keyboard. You can see now all the deleted image came back. Because we learned previous lesson how it happens. Now change again how we did in last tutorial, change black into white in toolbox. And hit the delete button in your keyboard. Now you will see the different. And go to erase tool and try to erase your image. But you can't erase it because your image still in inverse mode. Go to again menu bar and select click again to inverse. Now you try to erase it. Again, you will see it's not erasing. Go to erase brush tool and make it to 100%. Now you can erase only inside. Because it's in dotted line. I will teach you how to remove this dotted line. Go to select menu and click to deselect. Thanks, you will meet next lesson.